RocNet was founded by Pete and I in 2014. It was just the two of us with a cell phone and a laptop it was actually my dining room. We saw a need in the marketplace for a company that offered superior customer service, providing new and used network equipment. Early on, we were dealing with some smaller and lower end equipment. At our first warehouse, we had very limited space, and we would bring things in from our partners, test them there, and then ship them right out. As we've grown, we've moved from just selling equipment to being a solutions provider. We've grown the business into one of the top 100 fastest growing businesses in Rochester here in both 2018 and 2019. We now have 14 employees. We've moved from the small dining room to a 30,000 square foot facility, full test lab, warehouse, and office space here.
That was one of the things that was very important to us, was that we always had the ability to test the equipment when it arrived to our site. So in an effort to provide good customer service and good working equipment, we've always stressed the quality end. So from the packaging always looking the same and arriving in the same manner to the test lab and all of the great things that we're doing to grow that. We have excellent capabilities for a virtual test lab for our customers. They can log in and test new capabilities.
I believe that our company's success is due to our focus on customer service and the attention that we give to our employees.
We really do have a personal approach with all of our customers, and it gives us the opportunity to really get to know the people on the other end of the phone.
I truly believe that our team here works harder than anybody else in the industry. We go the extra mile for our customers 10 times out of 10. It really makes a difference, and our customers have seen that. And it's set us apart from our competition, and it's allowed us to grow.
Our people do the best job in the industry of understanding their customers' needs and delivering them a product that will work in the time frame that they require.
What is the RocNet difference?
We create a true partnership with our customers.
Our knowledge of the industry and the equipment.
Customer service.
Teamwork. It's a great environment.
Technical support. Experience.
We put people first.